Okay, guys. So let us discuss mean deviation using what a discrete series and continuous series. Yesterday we have discussed about identifying mean deviation with the help of individual series. Is there any doubt, guys? So far, any doubt?
No, sir.
Shall I go for next topic?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we are able to discuss. Have you remembered identifying mean, median, mode using individual and continuous series? Have you remember the steps?
Yes, sir.
The same steps we are going to follow. So before that, we have to we can. If it is arithmetic mean, we need to find mean. If it is okay, let us discuss here. Okay. So what is the formula for identifying median in a continuous series? Anyone? Anyone?
L plus n by 2. The median only, no, sir.
Yes, median.
L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into C.
Very good. So this is what we are going to identify mean deviation using arithmetic mean. Okay, so if it is discrete series and continuous series, the formula for finding mean deviation. Okay. That is sigma so what is the frequency will be there, right? Sigma f deviation then divided by sigma f. Have you all remember?
Yes, sir.
So this is the formula to identify what mean deviation in discrete series and continuous series. So sigma f deviation divided by sigma f. Okay. Have you all got my point? So this is the formula. So now let's find.
Yes, sir.
Let us find mean mean deviation using arithmetic mean. Okay. So now let us discuss mean deviation using arithmetic mean. Okay. So first, we'll be having profit of companies. Okay. So this is what our class profit of company. Okay, this will this will be our class 10 to 20, then 20 to 30, then 30 to 40, then okay. So 10 to 20, 20 to
Yes, sir.
30, then 30 to, sorry, it's 50, okay. 30 to 50, then 50 to 70, then 70 to 80. So this will be our class.
So 30 to 40, no, sir.
30 to 40 we didn't take much. Just we'll be having this as a question. Okay, இதே நம்ம question
Yes,
எடுத்துக்குவோம்.
sir.
So this will be our class and frequency number of, that is our number of employees. Number of employees. So this is our frequency. How much? So 5, 8, 16, 8, 3. Okay. So this is what our question. They ask us to find what mean deviation using arithmetic mean. So what is the first step we need to identify? First step we need to identify what arithmetic mean. Yes or no? Yes, right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So if it is arithmetic mean, we need to find midpoint. Yes, right? So
Yes,
what is
sir.
our midpoint? Lower limit, lower limit
15.
plus lower limit plus upper limit, right?
Divided
Divided by 2. So first one, so 10 plus 20 divided by 2 is 15. Then 10 plus
20.
30 divided by 2, 25.
25.
Then 30 plus 50, 80, 80 divided by 2, 40, right?
40.
Then 70 plus 50, how much? 120. 120 divided by 2 is 60. Then
75.
75. So this is our midpoint. So after that midpoint, what we need to find? We need to find what is the step to
Arithmetic
identify
mean.
arithmetic mean in continuous series. I hope you all remember. Yavarka. So now we need to find f into m, right? Yes or no? So what is our f? This is our frequency and this is our midpoint. So now we need to multiply frequency into m. Okay. So let us back to topic. So first thing is about 5 into 15. How much? Are you working?
75.
75.
So this is our f and f and that is f into m. So 75. Next
Sir,
8 into
200.
200. Tell me, Pravi.
sir, sir, Vignesh was in logging, sir.
Okay. I saw it. Thank you, Pravi. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
So now
640.
next 640. Okay. Next 60 into 80. How much? 6 6 8s are how much? 48. Then 480. Then 75
480.
into 3. How much? 75 into 3, that is 2 to 5. So this will be our sigma. Sorry, this is our Fm. Right? Now we need to find what is sigma Fm by sigma F.
Yeah.
Yes. So formula for identifying arithmetic mean. So arithmetic mean, which is equal to sigma F divided by sigma F. Okay. So is it visible for you guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is sigma Fm? So this is our sigma Fm, right? So what is our sigma Fm? 1000. Calculate பண்ணிட்டீங்களா?
Calculating.
I think 1620. Is it correct? So sigma Fm is 1620. And what is our sigma F?
40, sir.
Sigma F is 40. Okay. So first step we need to identify what if. Now we are discussing about identifying mean deviation using arithmetic mean. So very first step we need to identify what is our arithmetic mean. So
Arithmetic mean.
now we are in the process to identifying arithmetic mean. So as usual in a continuous series we have done the same formula sigma Fm by sigma F. So what is our arithmetic mean? That is
40.5.
20 divided by 40. So how much, Ms. Kavisi?
40.5, sir.
40.5 is the our arithmetic mean. So AM which is equal to 40.5. So this is a base for us to identify what mean deviation. Mean deviation using arithmetic mean. This is our first step. Now we are so as usual. Rest of the points as usual. Now we are about to identify deviation. So how can we find deviation? That is x minus arithmetic mean, right? So that is deviation is equal to x minus arithmetic mean. So what is our arithmetic mean? That is 40.5.
5.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just I will mention in brackets that is 40.5. Okay. Wait a second. Okay. So we need to find what the deviation between mid value. Okay, this is our x. So not our class. So this will be our x, that is 15, 25, 40, 60 is our x. Okay, so we are going to identify the mean deviation. So first thing is 15 minus 40.5. How much? So there is no negative signs. Remember, in only in mean deviation, there is no negative sign in the deviation. Just everything will be in positive. Okay. So what are
25.5.
25.5? Okay. So please remember there is no negative signs. Okay. Next, 25 minus 40.5, which is equal
15.5.
to 15.5. Then next 40 minus 40.5, which is equal to how much? That is 0.5, right?
0.5.
So next 60 minus 40.5, which is equal to how much?
19.5.
So 19.5. So next 75 minus 40.5, which is equal to
34.5.
34.5. So this is our deviation, right? Yes. So this
Yes,
will
sir.
be our deviation. So from this we need to find our sigma deviation. So what is sigma deviation? That is summation of all values. This is what our
FID.
sigma in deviation, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is our sigma deviation? Anyone? Just total it.
95.
How much? Okay.
9.
So okay, that is 95.5. 0.5, I think. Okay. So anyhow, so this is our sigma deviation. Okay, so next thing what we need to find, yeah, can you all able to see the formula? So what is our formula?
Yes, sir.
That is sigma f deviation
Into D.
divided by sigma f, right?
Sigma F.
Yes or no? So now we have found
Yes, sir.
deviation. நமக்கு வந்து deviation கண்டுபிடிச்சோம். This is our deviation and this is our frequency. Are you all there with me? Once again, I repeat. The very first thing,
Yes,
if
sir.
it mean deviation, we have to identify mean deviation using arithmetic mean. So all, up to arithmetic mean, as usual, what we have discussed in previous topic, arithmetic mean. Okay. Now, second point, once we found arithmetic mean, we need to find a deviation. So, how can we find deviation? So, that is deviation is equal to, this is our midpoint, okay, x minus arithmetic mean. So, arithmetic mean we found 40.5. So, midpoint, that is 15 minus 40.5. This 40.5 is arithmetic mean. We will get what? We can able to get the deviation. So this is our just a deviation. Then further we need to do another process. What is that processes? We need to multiply our frequency. You can see. So this is our frequency. So we need to multiply frequency with our what deviation. Then only we can able to get sigma f deviation. For my point, we need to multiply f into deviation. That is why then totaling sum of all that value, we will call it as what? Sigma deviation, then divided by sigma f. Equally, we can able to identify mean deviation. So anyhow, this sigma deviation is not necessary. It is not compulsory to identify this sigma deviation. Why? Because it is not required in our formula. Okay. So it is not required so far. But just if you want, you can find sigma deviation, but it is not compulsory, it is not necessary. Now we are going to find out sigma deviation. Can I make it in left hand side since there is no space? Shall we make it in left hand side? Can you all able to
Yes.
follow?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So are you all following me? Is there any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. So this is our sigma. This is our f into, that is deviation into f, or else f into deviation. So what is our f? That is
5.
5.
5 into 25.5. Okay, we need to multiply. What is the answer?
127.5.
So 127.5. Okay, next. 25 into 15.5. That is 25 into 15.5. I think there is 124.
Sir, 15.5 into 8, sir.
Sorry. Yeah, 15.5 into 8. That is 124. Okay, wait a second. Let me. Okay, now. Okay. Now 16 into 0.5. Anyone? 16 into 0.5. That is 8. Then
8.
8 into 19.5. That is 156. Then 3 into 34.5. This is 103.5. Okay. So this is what sigma. That is, this is what f deviation. Now we are about to find what sigma f deviation. So this
Sigma
is
F
our.
here.
Okay. So what is sigma of deviation? That we need to add all the values 127.5 plus 124 plus 8 plus 156 plus 103.5. So what is sigma of deviation? Anyone? Anyone? That is 519. So got
So
my point? Is there any
519.
doubt? Is there any doubts?
No, sir.
Anyone?
No, sir.
Boys, girls, Ravi, Sudarshan, are you all there with me? Okay. So our sigma deviation is equal to 519. Okay, so 519. So just we found that this is our sigma f deviation. So this is our sigma f deviation. This is our sigma f. Now we can able to easily find out mean deviation, right? Yes. So I'm going to use this space, that is
Yes, sir.
sigma f deviation, which is equal to 500 and that is 519, right?
19
So
divided
your mean
by
deviation is equal to 519 and divided by 40. Okay.
Sir,
So
12.915.
so 12.975.
thank you. Very good, Miss Sindhu, and very good, Mr. Vishi. So our MD is equal to 12.97.
12.975.
So two decimals are enough. So this is our mean deviation using arithmetic mean. The uh, same steps we have to follow for what mean deviation using median, mean deviation using mode. So the formula we need to find if it is mean deviation. First step we need to do, we are not supposed to find mean value, right? If it is mean deviation, we need to find cumulative frequency and divided by 2. Then we need to find median class. After finding median class, we need to select the value of L1. I will remember, and L1 plus n divided by 2 minus CF divided by F into C. That is the formula for identifying mean deviation. Using that formula, we can able to find out the median. Okay. So after finding that median, we need to find the mean deviation, that is x minus. So in that case, okay, so if, since we need to find x, so we can find median, okay, mid value for the class. Okay. So since they used to give in a continuous series, we can find what mid value. Then we can find the deviation. Okay. So as usual, the formula for mean deviation for in continuous series is sigma f deviation by sigma f. So we need to multiply the deviation with frequency and divide by what sigma f. This is how we can able to get mean deviation. Is there any doubt? Can you able to do
No,
this,
sir.
boys? Anyone, any doubts? Are you clear? If you get these kind of problems, it is actually it is a 6-mark problems. Okay, so don't no need to panic. If the problem takes this much time, it will be definitely 6-mark question. You can expect this in your 6-mark question. So easily you can score 6 without any trouble. Are you clear? So can you able to do
Yes, sir.
identify mean deviation in continuous series and discrete series the same as it is.
Yes, sir.
Instead of finding a mid value, we can directly the variable will be given as it is, so we can directly multiply the variable with a frequency. So no issues. Okay. Any doubts?
No.
So will you say mean deviation integral series once again, sir?
Mean deviation. What,
Integral
Mr. Vishwi?
series.
Mean deviation in individual series, right? That is, we don't have frequency, just sigma deviation by
Yes.
small n. Okay, so wait a second. So let me. So in individual series, there is no frequency. So mean deviation is equal to simple. That is sigma deviation divided by small n. Small n is number of items. Okay. So we are finding if it is arithmetic mean, as usual in individual series, we are finding arithmetic mean. Okay. So what is the formula for arithmetic mean in individual series? Arithmetic mean in individual series is equal to sigma x divided by n, right? Yes,
Yes.
Miss in Kavishri. Okay, so we are identifying what arithmetic mean in individual series. That is the formula sigma x by n. So this will be the arithmetic mean. Now what we are going to do? So we will be deducting,
Find the arithmetic mean.
we will find the deviation with the help of the arithmetic mean. Same. So deviation is equal to
Yes,
x
sir.
minus arithmetic mean. Now you got my point.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So in case if you have any doubts, kindly you can pick me at any time. You can WhatsApp me also. I'm here to help you all the time.